Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. I'm the senior stylist and beauty expert here at Aderans and René of Paris, and I get my hands on all these amazing wigs and do some amazing styles and share with you a few things that I've learned over my career and how you can make them wearable both with your own hair and with the wigs that you wear. So today, what I'm going to do, I've got an amazing piece. I'm sure a lot of you are watching this thinking, I know what that is. Yep, it's Angelica. This is in Nutmeg-F. This is a fantastic colour, guys. I mean, let me just show you. You can see that gorgeous regrowth root there. And just by coming in there, all these different, I mean, I've been a hairdresser for well over 20 years and a big keen colourist as well. And that is a hard colour to achieve. And we can get that every single time at René of Paris. So if you are brunette and you fancied being blonde, this is quite a nice way of trying it. Today I wanted to do a style that's really easy, really achievable, and probably with things that you've just find that you've got rattling around in the bottom of your purse. I've got some bands, bobby pins in various different colours, and I have this René of Paris foldable wig brush. So I'm going to use this today as well. I'm going to comb, brush this out the way. If you're styling it on the mannequin head, great. If you're styling it on your own head, great. But just see how it looks. See if you want to keep, some little bits down or take it all up. For me, I'm going to do half up, half down with this. So I'm just going to use the tail of this little brush, which comes in really handy. Amazing, amazing tool this is. For me, I think that's about right. I kind of like this effect of it sweeping from the sides. It gives it that kind of Brigitte Bardot kind of effect, which is simply stunning. And then again, just a standard hair tie. I'm putting it over my 3 fingers, leaving the pinky out, and my thumb, just so it's like that. Just that round. And take all the hair over, double that up. And in this case, because I've not got too much hair, I'm going to triple that up. We split these 2 pieces of hair into, so the pony gets split into 2 pieces, and then we're taking 2 smaller pieces from the outside and feeding them in. So if you want to watch, I'm taking that small piece in from there, that small piece in from there. Going to use one of the clear elastics. Guys, we've got a beautiful, beautiful fishtail. It looks stunning. Let me turn our young lady around again. Here she is, looking very Brigitte Bardot from the front. But just to finish this off, I don't really want to see this band in here so much. So if you are worried about the band and you want to get rid of that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take like another piece of hair. So like so, do you see that? I've just picked that from underneath, make sure it balances with there. And what I'm going to do is the other piece of hair, just hold it like that and just wrap that neatly around the band. like this. You see, so it gives it that really nice finish. The hair actually becomes its own hair tie, and then it really incorporates that together. Take the bobby pin and then grip that hair back in within the base of the ponytail. You could leave the braid like this, which looks great. What tends to be a bit more fashionable now is when they're opened up and made a little bit wider and a little bit fatter. So I'm just gonna open this fishtail up with my fingers, make it a little bit softer. So to just give you a recap, guys, so today we're working with Angelica. Angelica is in Nutmeg-F. So you see we've got this stunning root. We've got all these gorgeous tones through there. I took it back just within a bobble, okay? So just a hair tie. Typical things that you've got lying in the bottom of your purse and you wanted to style your hair up. Scrape that back into a pony, which looks great anyway. Then we did a fishtail, then we've just broken that fishtail up and made it more textured and wrapped the hair around. So very, very effective, very easy way of doing it. I mean, you could effectively even wrap that round and make a fishtail kind of bun, but I quite like that down as it is. Looks very, very effective, very easy to do, very effective styling. So I hope you've enjoyed that today. So from me and Angelica in Nutmeg-F, I want to say a big thank you from René of Paris and Aderans. And also, please don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, carry on following us on Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.